This video goes over securing your computer and stopping remote control connections. Up next. So to properly secure your computer, you need to remove any remote control programs or remote desktop programs, as other videos have referred to them as. So removing this access is key to making sure that that person doesn't remote back into your computer. So I'm going to go over the main programs that everyone uses to remote control your computer. This is done by a variety of software, and I have almost every bit of that installed on my computer, and we're going to remove that today. So I want to start off by removing the main piece of software that about 80% of the people use in the world to remote control a PC. So we're going to start by removing what's called TeamViewer. We're going to right click on the Windows icon and click Run. We're going to type appwiz.cpl. When this opens up, we need to go to TeamViewer. You'll see it's here. Right click, uninstall. And then uninstall. This removes TeamViewer from your computer, and it is no longer loaded on mine. So that's done. We can minimize that. There's still some more remote programs that people use. LogMeIn is another one to check. So if you sort by name here, you can look for LogMeIn. As you see, we don't have it on this computer. Another one that is used, GoToMyPC. Just go to your G's, look for GoToMyPC. I also don't have this one on here. And the final one is VNC Viewer or VNC Server. Both these things can also remote control your PC and should be removed. And if we go down here, we can type VNC Viewer right there, uninstall. So those things, remote control or programs. However, there are other ways you can remote control your computer. We have now removed all the main programs that are used for remote control. Now there's a couple apps that can be used through Chrome that also remote control your computer. So if you're using Google Chrome, you want to open that up. You'll see the interface here. In the top left, you'll see something called Apps. Click that, and you'll see Chrome Remote Desktop. If you see this here, it means someone can actually remote control this PC. To remove it, right click, remove from Chrome, and then remove. And now that is removed. And that is it for the actual apps and programs that can remote control. However, there's a built-in remote desktop feature that can also be used to remote control a PC. Let's go ahead and disable that feature in Windows. If we go back down to the bottom left, right click on the Windows icon and go to System. On the left hand side, Remote Desktop, where it says Enabled, just make sure this is turned off. It says Disable, we hit Confirm. This now is a secure computer that doesn't have any of the apps that I've gone over or any of the built-in apps of Chrome and also Microsoft Windows. So now it would be very difficult for anyone to remote into your PC and remotely control it. So it makes your computer far more secure. And if you have like an IT guy that did this a while back and then you had a falling out, I highly recommend you go through and uninstall all these programs. And honestly, even if I'm remoting into someone's computer that I'm helping, I prefer them to uninstall it after I'm done, because you can always re-download these. And honestly, if you don't use it very often, chances are it's out of date and needs to be updated or removed before I remote back in. So it's always a great idea to remove these and secure your computer.